Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Poker Club crashing, freezing, and not launching issues. So first of all, you need to open up this webpage on your web browser and check Poker Club server status. Sometimes it can happen due to server issues. In case you find a temporary outage, wait for some time and try again later. But if you experience no outage here and still encounter this issue, then you need to head over to your game library on Steam. You need to right-click on Poker Club and select Properties option from the menu. In the Properties tab, select Local Files. Then on the Local Files page, select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will then take some time to verify your files and you're done. Once you're done with it, check if it fixes the issue. But if it doesn't, then make sure you're connected to a strong internet connection. Navigate to google.com on your browser and then search for Speed Test. Here on this page, you need to tap on Run Speed Test. The minimum speed required for Poker Club is usually 2 to 4 Mbps. So if it's anywhere near or above this number, that's fast enough. If your internet speed appears to be unreasonably low, then you may need to contact your internet service provider for help. But if it still doesn't work, then you need to reboot your system. Chances are, a simple reboot might just do the trick. First, close all the programs running on your system and then click on the Windows key on your keyboard. Then over here, click on Power, and then from the drop-down menu, click on Restart. Hopefully, this will fix the issue. Well, that's how you fix Poker Club crashing, freezing, and not launching issues. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.